Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. It's been a bearish start to the day. Failure to move back through the day's pivot would leave support levels in play. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.1895, Dogecoin rallied to an early afternoon intraday high $0.2195, falling well short of the first major resistance level at $0.2355. However, Dogecoin slid back to sub-21 cents levels before ending the day at $0.205 levels. At the time of video, Dogecoin was down by 1.21% to $0.2134. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.2165 before falling to a low $0.2125. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Dogecoin would need to move back through the $0.2135 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.2219 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to 22 cents levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 23 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2279. Failure to move back through the $0.2135 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.2075 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of sub-20 cents levels. The second major support level sits at $0.1991. Doge lovers, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. Has it exited the falling triangle pattern? Guys, in this article, we will give general information about the current status of Doge and how it can be followed. Dogecoin is currently traded at 21 cents. You can also take a look at the summary articles below. Dogecoin price confirms a triangle breakout on the 4 hours chart. Doge bulls are aiming to push higher towards the 30 cents level. As Dogecoin swept the crypto market with a fresh wave of purchases, Bitcoin's challenge to buy monthly highs above $42,000 indicates a solid start to August. Doge price hovered around $0.2150 after witnessing 2 consecutive weekly gains, hovering around $0.2150, up nearly 5% in the past 4 hours. Dogecoin, the 11th most traded cryptocurrency, has gained 11.50% in the past 7 days after gaining approval from 2 tech giants. Elon Musk tweeted, "Doge is not joke money or a speculative asset, Dogecoin is money." Meanwhile, thanks to the growing interest in tokens like Shiba and Doge, the report has been published that the number of global crypto users has doubled in 4 months to reach 200 million. The prank money confirmed a descending triangle breakout on the last 4-hour chart after a candlestick close above the bearish 200 simple moving average falling trendline resistance at $0.2103. An upside break opens the doors for a rally to 23 cents. If it reaches this level, it can jump to 25 cents with the possibility of psychological purchases. If it holds the 25 cents level, it could test the 30 cents level. The RSI value, on the other hand, is comfortably moving above the midline while staying below the overbought zone. Any pullback could find support at 21 cents. The $0.1969 triangle support could be considered an investment opportunity for Doge buyers. Interesting developments took place today. Guys, here are some of them. Cryptocurrency organizations on Friday asked Congress to reconsider language in the Senate's infrastructure bill that posed an imminent threat to the industry. President Joe Biden's $1.2 trillion infrastructure package, which includes hundreds of billions in funding for roads, railways, and broadband access, would be partly financed by increasing revenue from taxes on cryptocurrencies, according to the White House. The Senate bill last week added new rules for crypto trading firms and brokers. They'd have to report additional information about some transactions, including those over $10,000. The updates could bring in about $28 billion in new tax revenue in its first decade, Bloomberg News and the New York Times reported. The Blockchain Association on Friday posted an open letter, saying, "What Congress is considering with this measure is not a new tax on the cryptocurrency industry. Instead, it puts new reporting requirements on individual players in the industry who have no way to comply." The letter said the provision amounted to an imminent threat to the budding crypto industry here in America. Kristen Smith, the association's executive director, said in a Thursday statement that the crypto industry was eager to see updated guidance for exchanges reporting to the IRS. But the bill's language was hastily drafted, she said. Jerry Brito, executive director of the Coin Center think tank, said the draft language was so broad that it would add new reporting for many organizations that have no visibility into users' transactions. Smith added, "So not only will these types of reporting requirements push businesses and jobs overseas, ceding American leadership in the crypto space to our international competitors, it won't collect the $28 billion Congress thinks they'll bring in." Germany's new crypto law comes into effect on August 2. The latest German law governing German Spezialfonds goes into effect from August 2, 2021, onwards. This initiative could bring a huge influx of about $415 billion worth of investments via cryptocurrencies. In detail, this law will enable German institutional funds to hold up to about 20% of their assets in terms of cryptocurrencies. This move, in turn, could lead to a possible open stage for mainstream Bitcoin adoption in the country. Specifically, the law changes the preceding investment rules surrounding special funds. Moreover, this law is accessible to institutional investors such as insurers and pension funds. At the moment, special funds manages around $2.1 trillion, 1.8 trillion euros, in assets. In particular, this law was passed last month and will go into effect soon. This is indeed a huge move by the German authority, as opening crypto investments could lead to popular cryptos like Bitcoin and other altcoins such as Ethereum or Cardano being accepted by the country's pension funds. Meanwhile, Germany's Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, BaFin, urges caution when it comes to investing in digital assets. However, it is also simultaneously encouraging the country to embrace blockchain technology. In fact, Germany launched a blockchain initiative back in 2019. The strategy successfully led to crypto adoption throughout 2020. To be more specific, the initiative went on to promote 44 adoption measures that should yield to fruition by the end of this year. All in all, this new approach will introduce measures that will make it easy for all investors who wish to access digital investments. Above all, the country has taken some big steps to establish itself as a leading market for crypto exchange trading products. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.